Tuscarawas County, the second most deer harvested county in Ohio. With deer numbers thriving, Kyle brings us along as he goes after one of his target bucks.
What's going on, guys? Heading down to our Southern Ohio farm today. Got a lot of work to do. Make sure our shooting lanes are all taken care of. Going to be throwing down corn and putting a couple more tree stands up, and then we're going to hang another cell camera up. So we got a lot of work to do today. So stay tuned. Hopefully this all pays off, and come early season we'll be able to get something down on the ground. All right, we're out here putting work in. We got one more week left. Got the wife and the kid. 6 more days. Well, we made it to the cabin. It's the night before bow season. We just got in here a little late. I had to work today. Put a target out at 30 yards and make sure our bow's dialed in, and then get her done in the morning. Well, it's officially opening day here in Ohio. Got settled in here pretty early, about 45 minutes before daylight. Got a nice chilly morning. It's about 55 degrees, so it's pretty good for opening day. We're overlooking a food plot here, about 30 yards in front of me. Pretty much just an observation sit for the first day, kind of see where the deer are coming from and where they're heading after they browse a little bit. So I'm excited to just be in this tree stand. Whether we see anything today or not, it's gonna be a good day. So stay tuned. Well, here we are, back at it again here. It's October 8th. We're up in Northeast Ohio. My phone's been going off today. We have cell cameras out here, and we got a lot of pictures of deer earlier on, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to do an interview in the stand. We've had a lot of action so far this morning, so hopefully it continues on to this evening, and hopefully we get a crack at one of these shooters that we have in here. All in all, it was a good day. We got close. We almost was able to capitalize on a mistake, but we're gonna get back out there in a couple days, hang a new set. I want to be a little more mobile. I got to get out of the tree I've been in. We're gonna get into another tree. Maybe hopefully that will give us some different luck, and we're able to get one of these big guys to come in during daylight. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one. Just before shooting light, I could hear deer chasing right behind me, but I really couldn't see any of them. Right at first light, I looked back over my right shoulder, and there was that nice 10 that I've been after.
third time I've had an encounter with that deer. And I said the last time I seen him, I ain't gonna pass him again. I'm shaking like a leaf. I just heard him crash. He didn't go 60 yards. I didn't even get to do an intro this morning. It's the 22nd of October. $7:44, and I just smoked him. Just got back to the truck, replayed the footage. Looks like a perfect hit. Went and got my arrow, and the arrow's covered in blood, so just waiting for Flasco to get out here. He's gonna come out here and help me track him. Stay tuned. Hopefully have a buck at the end of this blood trail.
There he is, right there. Right there. White belly. Let's freaking go, dude. Yes.
Thickest stuff we got.
Yes. Yes. Look at that freaking stud, dude. Look at that stud. That's a great deer, dude.
Good one.
Great shot.
He's a good one.
Now you get to drag him out by yourself.
Awesome. Yeah. Alright, here he is. October 23rd. He came in this morning. As soon as I got into the stand, I actually seen him run a doe. He actually did a couple grunt calls. And, got to my right shoulder. I wasn't able to get a shot on him then. I got a couple seconds of video on him, and then 10 minutes later he showed up to my left-hand side trying to get downwind, and the rest is history. Made a perfect shot, 20 yards broadside, and had our eye on this deer. Got tons of trail cam pics. Nice 10. His property's selling, so to be able to get in here one last time to get a deer like this is awesome. Well, it's December 3rd. We just got settled in. It's about 7:45. Got in here really late because it rained all morning. Got really high winds. It's really not ideal right now. But we do have a cold front pushing in today. And by this afternoon, the temps are dropping from in the 50s all the way into the 20s. We're sitting in the back of the farm today. It's a nice cut where they've been traveling a lot. We might catch one sneaking through there. We'll just have to sit here and wait. Stay tuned. Just rolled her. She dropped right where she was. Man, I'm freezing. Here she is. Nice doe. She dropped right where she was standing. I'd say we're about 700-800 yards from the cabin, so I gotta get her to a road to where I'll be able to get the side-by-side down here. But awesome day. Feels good to get one down with a gun again. It's been a while. Just recently been doing a lot of bow hunting, but it's good to get out here with the gun every now and then, remember where we came from, how it all began. So what a year. It's been fun. We'll see you guys on the next one.